Hello students, myself Rudresh Tiwari. I am going to teach class 11th writing skills and the topic is advertisement, part 3rd. Students, as we had studied in part 1st and 2nd about the introduction of advertisement and about the types of advertisement. In the types of advertisement, we had studied about the types of classified advertisement. In this type of advertisement, we had studied first in second part and second in this part we are going to cover. So second is sale and purchase of property, vehicles, household goods. The essential detail for this type is it begins with for sale, purchase, or available or wanted. The next point is mention the type of accommodation, vehicle, household items. It means we have to discuss about the accommodation, vehicle, household items under this types. Give a brief physical description according to the question. According to the matter, you have to give the physical description. And the last point you have to remember contact address and phone numbers. Under these types, as we have studied that we can advertise about vehicles, household items. So the first point is for property. Then the related points are specify size, floor, number of rooms, etc. Mention about furniture and fittings. Give the location and surroundings. Price expected or offered. So students, these are the valuable points you have to remember. So for this, the related example is by giving the question, I am going to clear you. The question is you wish to shift to a new residence in Mohali and you are now wanting to sell your Yamaizi. Yamaizi is the name of the flat. Then write advertise in the classified column for sale in not more than 50 words about its sale. So students, you have to make a box like this as you can see in this answer. So according to the answer, you have to just make the column box and you have to start like this: property for sale. And you have to start the matter available Yamaizi flat in Lajpat Nagar, Main Market, Delhi, 3-bedroom, attached bathrooms, East Park, facing with parking space, well furnished 24 hours, power and water supply, 4 years old construction, property rate is rupees 75 lakh. And students, you have to write contact like this: Vishnu Kumar, and contact number like this you have to write. So the next point is for vehicle. Students, in this point you can advertise about the sale and purchase of the vehicle. So the points you have to remember: state, model, year of manufacturing. Next, specify the condition, mileage done by the vehicle. Give colors and about accessories, etc. Price expected or offered. It means the price you have to write there. Then the next point is for household goods. Under this point you have to remember some important points. Mention brand, model, years of manufacturing, specify materials in case of furniture, and give the present condition and quote price offered expected. It means you have to describe about the materials and the furnitures and about the present condition of the household things, and the price you have to write there. Expected price you have to write there for the party. Then the related examples are given here. First of all, you have to notice on the question. The question is: you are going abroad. You want to sell your TV, AC, refrigerator, furniture, etc. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. You are Ravi or Richa. It means this is imagine name. If you are boy, then you have to write Ravi. If you are girl, then you have to write Richa. And the address is 121 Fort Road, Kochi. Then in answer you can observe, you have to start like this: sale of durables. Durable means household things, all the belongings which you want to sell. Then the matter is latest technology TV, AC, refrigerator, only 2 months old, along with modern furniture for a 3-bedroom hall, house on sale. For detail, contact Ravi or Richa, 121 Fort Road, Kochi. And at last you can give contact number like this, as you are observing in the previous example. So this is the third part of advertisement. Thanks.